Hi friends, so today I am going to talk about DOJO Center. Now DOJO is primarily a Japanese word with the meaning is let's practice. And long time back it was used primarily for the martial arts, but these days in the automotive sector, especially in all the Japanese companies, DOJO word is being used. The key objective is that whenever a new person is joining, there is a job rotation, there is a new skill that needs to be developed, or maybe there's a technology change. A person can go to a prototype center and then can learn about it. And primarily, there are 8 different things which a person can learn in a dojo center. The first is primarily about the organization. Then second is with respect to the safety culture. The third one is about the five senses. Then about the product manufacturing process, product quality, about maintenance, and the last with respect to the quality. And overall, the intent is to make sure that when the person goes to the shop floor, that person is ready with the knowledge about that. In case you want to know more about it, you can find a link above and you can click on that and learn more about it.